hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last class we have seen the topic rationalization. Okay, so here we are going to see some problems on two previous topics, and that is rationalization and operation on real number. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is that solve the following and identify them, whether they will be rational or irrational. So let's solve it. See here, it will be 2 root 7 by 5 root 7. Okay, so root 7 and root 7 will get cancelled, so it will be 2 by 5, so it is a rational number. Okay, so see, the second question is that 3 plus root 2, so it cannot be added. Okay, already I have told you that the sum of rational and irrational number will always be a irrational number. Okay, so this is an irrational number. Okay, so see the third question is that 5 root 7, see here, 5 root 7 into 2 by 2 root 3 into root 7. Okay, so root 7 and root 7 gets cancelled, and 2 and 2 will cut, and here 5 by root 3. Okay, so it will be 5 by root 3 into root 3. We have to rationalize it. Okay, so in numerator also we will multiply root 3, so it will be, see here, 5 root 3. Okay, 5 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So this is your required answer of this third question. Okay, so let's move forward to second question. Okay, so see here, the second question is that add add 5 root 3 plus 2 2 root 2 and 6 root 3 plus root 2. Okay, so you have to add both this number. This is a number and this is another number. So let's add 5 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus root 2. Okay, it will be plus root 2. So see here, this both number cannot be joined together. We have to arrange two number together so that we could common. See here, this number will join this, and this number will join with this number. Okay, so we are just going to add that. Okay, so see here, it will be 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Okay, these both number are selected. Now these are left, so it will be 2 root 2 plus root 2. Okay, so now if you notice that, if you common from this number, just notice on this number, two number, when you common from here root 3. Okay, root 3, it will be root 3, so it will be 5 plus 6. Okay, 5 plus 6. Again, if you want to get this number, you just multiply with this, so it will be 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3. See here, this number you will get again, so this is correct. Okay, so again you will here, you will do here the same thing. Okay, first common from both the number root 2. Okay, so it will be 2 and plus 1. Okay, root 2 into 1 will be root 2. So see here, it will be 5 6 11 into root 3. Okay, so it will be 11 root 3 plus, see here, 2 plus 1 will be 3 into root 2, so it will be 3 root 2. So this is your answer. Okay, the simplest form. Okay, so now let's move. It's a very easy question, you should do it fast. Okay, now the next question is that question number 3. Okay, see question number 3. Now subtract subtract root 5 plus root 8, root 5 plus root 8 from from 6, or say 10, 10 root 5 plus 5 root 8. Okay, you have to subtract this number from this number. Okay, so let's see. Means this number is small and this number is greater or big. Okay, so it will be 10 root 5 plus 5 root 8 minus this whole number means root 5 plus 8, so it will be in bracket root 5 plus root 8. Okay, so see here it will be 10 root 5 plus 5 root 8 minus, so it will be, see here it is plus root 5. Okay, so plus minus minus root 5, and here minus plus minus root 8. Okay, so these both number are joined together or combined together. Okay, or we can say that when this number, both number will be written as one series, then again this number. Okay, you have to arrange the number in such a way that you could common this type of numbers. Okay, which could be common. You see here it will be 10 root 5 minus root 5. Okay, minus root 5. Okay, and here it is plus 5 root 8 minus root 8. Okay, so here root 5 can be common, so it will be 10 minus 1. Okay, and plus root 8 will be common, so it will be 5 minus 1. See here minus 1, if you multiply plus root 8 minus 1, then you will get minus root 8. Okay, so see here, so 10 minus 1 will be 9. 9 into root 5 will be 9 root 5. Okay, and here 5 minus 1 will be 4, and 4 into root 8 will be plus 4 root 8. Okay, plus 4 root 8. If you simplify that again, then you will get 9 root 5 plus 4. We can write it here 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so see here it will be 9 root 5 plus 4. 2 will come out from the root, so it will be 2, and again it will be 2 root 2. Okay, it will be 2 root 2, so it will be 4 2 ja 8 root 2. Okay, so directly we can write 8 root 2. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So let's move. Okay, so now the next question is that question number 4. Simplify simplify the following. Okay, simplify the following. So see here, first is 6 root 2 minus 2 divided by 5. Okay, so see here it will be if root 2 is common, so it will be 6 minus 1. Okay, and divided by 5, so it will be root 2 into 6 minus 1 will be 5, so divided by 5, so answer will be root 2. This is your answer. Okay, now the second part of the fourth question I am giving you, that second part of the fourth question. Okay, so simply say 4 plus root 2 divided by 4 minus root 2. So first of all we have to rationalize the denominator as there is root 2, or say any root. If there will be any root, then you will do that rationalization. So here it is that 4 plus root 2 divided by 4 minus root 2. In order to remove the this root, we have to multiply with the opposite sign. Okay, so it will be 4 plus root 2. So here will be also 4 plus root 2. Okay, 4 plus root 2, it is bracket. Okay, bracket. So see here, it will be 4 plus root 2, 4 plus root 2, so means a plus b and again a plus b. So if you notice that it is power 1 and it is also power 1, when the base is same then the power will be added. So it can be written as a plus b means 4 plus root 2 whole square divided by a minus b a plus b. So it will be a square. So see, 4 square will be 16 minus a square minus root 2 square. So it will be 2, only 2. The square of root 2 will be 2. Okay, so see here, it will be a plus b whole square. So it will be a square means 16, a square means 16 plus b square. So b square root 2 square will be 2 plus 2 ab, 2 into 4 into root 2. So 2 into 4 into root 2. Okay, and whole divided by 16 minus 2 will be 14. Okay, so I am solving this in this. Okay, here I am solving it. So see here, it will be 16 plus 2. Okay, 16 plus 2 will be 18. Okay, and plus, so this is cleared. Okay, so 2 4 is 8 root 2, 8 root 2 by 14. If you see here, it will be 14. If you want to simplify again, then you can do that. Okay, so from this you can common 2. So it will be 9 plus 4 root 2 by 14. Okay, so it will be 7 times. So it will be 9 plus 4 root 2, 9 plus 4 root 2 by 7. So this is your answer. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so the next question is just same type, that is simplify 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2. Okay, I'm giving you the same type of question so that you could practice it. Okay, so see here, from here denominator it is root, so we have to remove it. So it will be 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So we have to multiply with the opposite sign so that it could remove. Okay, the root could be removed. So it will be 3 plus root 2, and again it will be 3 plus root 2. Okay, so see here, a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square by a minus b, a plus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So 3 square will be 9 minus root 2 square will be 2. So it will be a square means 9, 3 square will be 9 plus b square will be root 2 square will be 2 plus 2ab. See here, 2ab. So it will be 2 into a into b. Okay, 3 into root 2 by 9 minus 2 will be 7. So 9 plus 2 will be 11 plus 2 3 is 6 root 2 by 7. Okay, so this is your answer. So now the next question is that I think it's clear to all of you. Okay, now the next question is that it's going to be, more higher level. So the next question is listen very carefully that if suppose if x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, okay, then then find find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so the question is saying that if the value of x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so let's see. So if you see that 1 by x it is, so I think we have to first reciprocal it. Okay, so 1 by x will be 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. See here, the value of 1 by x will be just reciprocal, okay, reciprocal to the value of x. So see here, it is in denominator, that is root, so we have to rationalize it. So it will be 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2, and in also here we will multiply the same 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. So the it will be 3 minus 2 root 2 at the numerator, and here it is a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So a square will be 3 square will be 9 minus, see here, b square. So b square means 2 root 2 again 2 root 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4 into root 2 into root 2 will be 2. So it will be 8. Okay, it will be 8. It will be 8. Okay, so it will be 3 minus 2 root 2 by 1 by 1. So it will be again 3 minus 2 root 2. So see here, the value of x is 3 plus 2 root 2, and the value of 1 by x is 3 minus 2 root 2. So the next step will be, I am first writing here that value of x 1 by x will be 3 minus 2 root 2, which we have found it just now. Okay, so from here see here, if you remember identity that a plus b squared. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so a plus b, suppose a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Okay, so a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Okay, so if you see that it will be, so see here, a plus b whole square is equal to, so the value of x is 3 plus 2 root 2, and the value of 1 by x will be plus, so 3 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, if you just bracket that, then it will be also plus 3 and minus 2 root. Okay, so we need not worry. Okay, so see here, it will be cancelled, so it will be 6. I'm writing here directly, you should not do that directly. Okay, see here, it gets cancelled and 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, see here, it will be 6. I have just told you that why. So a plus b whole square. Okay, so see here, a plus b, so it will be a squared plus b square will be 1 by x square will be 1 square by x square, or 1 by x square. Okay, so it will be 1 by x square, 1 by x square plus 2ab. See here, 2 into a is what, x, means 2 into x into 1 by x. Okay, so x and x gets cancelled. Okay, x and x gets cancelled. So it will be see here, sorry, I think I have made a mistake, very sorry for that. See here it is x plus 1 by x whole square. I have forgotten this, very sorry for that. See here, plus 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square it will be. So 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be gets cancelled. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, will be 6 square will be 36. Okay, 3 plus 3 6 square will be 36. 36. Okay, so it will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab will be equal to 36. So x and x gets cancelled to x plus 1 by x square will be 36 minus 2. See here, plus 2 will send that in the right hand side, then it will be in opposite side. So it will be 36 minus 2 will be 36 minus 2 will be 34. So here we can see that x square plus 1 by x square will be 34. Okay, will be 34. So this is how we found the value of this. Okay, so the that's all about it. Okay, in the next class we will see a new topic, and that is the laws of exponent. Okay, that is very interesting. Okay, we will see in next video. Till that, goodbye.